I'm at a 15-year-old house in Fort Worth, Texas today, and I want to show you guys a really common plumbing issue that we come across that can cause serious damage if left unrepaired. I'm measuring the water pressure at the exterior hose bib, and the acceptable pressure is 40 to 80 psi. You can see here we've got about 118 psi, so almost 50% over the maximum acceptable threshold. And that kind of, especially at that level of pressure, it can create serious issues, most commonly waste and wearing out the plumbing fixtures and appliances. But in a worst case scenario, which may not happen as often, but it does happen to some people, you could have a significant leak directly caused by that pressure. So you can buy an inexpensive gauge. I think less than $15 is what I see them for at any hardware store, and check it at an exterior hose bib. If you do have excessive pressure, any licensed plumber can install a pressure reducing valve, and an expansion tank is sometimes needed with it. The other thing to consider is that some houses already have a pressure reducing valve in place and simply need to be adjusted.